Did you know the first 2-3 lines of your essay can decide your grade? If your introduction is weak, the rest of your essay might never get full marks. In this video, I will show you exactly how to write an A grade introduction step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for your GCSE English literature, your introduction can make or break your essay. Yes, that's right. And many students either start with a summary or a vague sentence, and that loses marks instantly. But here is a good news. Today we are going to fix that. What examiners want? Examiners are looking for 3 things in your introduction. Number 1, clear argument, what's your point? Number 2, keywords from the question shows you are answering it. Then, text reference, name the text and author clearly. Everything else comes after, do not waste time retelling the story. Structure of a perfect introduction. 3 simple steps that you can follow, and I call it the simple 3-step formula. Number 1, hook, or you can call it context. It comprises of 1 to 3 lines. Number 1, that is introduction. You need to introduce the theme or situation briefly. For example, Shakespeare explores ambition and power in Macbeth. Number 2, clear argument, or you can call it thesis. It comprises of 1 line. Say what your essay will prove. For example, and shows how unchecked ambition leads to tragic consequences. Number 3, text reference. Mention characters, events, or literary devices. For example, through Macbeth's choices and Lady Macbeth's manipulation, the play examines human ambition. That's it, a simple 3-line introduction that gets top marks. Examples, show real. Weak introduction, Macbeth is a play about a man who wants power. He does bad things and then dies. This is a very weak introduction. You should never start your essay with such an introduction. Now let's look into how a strong introduction or grade 9 essay looks like. Shakespeare explores ambition and power in Macbeth, showing how unchecked desire leads to tragic consequences. Through Macbeth's choices and Lady Macbeth's manipulation, the play examines human ambition and moral corruption. This is exactly how a strong introduction looks like, and this is exactly how you should write your introduction. Now notice how it's clear, precise, and answers the question directly. This is exactly GCSE examiners want you to write your introduction. Tips to improve fast. Always include the author and text. Use academic language, for example, explores, illustrates, and examines. Keep it 3 to 5 lines maximum, short and punchy. If you want more examples like this, my GCSE English ebook has 20 plus ready-to-use A-grade introductions for all major texts. And I have also included a practice workbook with exam-style questions so you can actually apply what you learn. Both links are in the description below. If you are serious about improving your grades, I highly recommend them checking out. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is preparing for their GCSEs. I would also give you a home task. Try writing your introduction using the 3-step formula today. It only takes a few minutes, but it could add several marks to your essay. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.